Hey, what's up guys? I built a rollaway nesting box today, and so let me show you how it works.
Welcome back to our channel. So if you have chickens or are thinking about having chickens, you probably know that there are tons of ideas for nesting boxes, and sometimes you can't really know what's going to work best for you until you try something. So we have had the pail nesting boxes, like where you just use pail and put it on its side. We've had that for a while and it's just not working. So we are going to try Richard Perkins rollaway nest boxes, and we're going to show you how we have adapted it for our coop, and we'll give you some details about it in just a second. So here are the pails that we have right now, and you can see they're not really working very well. These are the ones they actually lay in, so they are cleaner, but they're impossible to clean out. If they get dirty on the inside, they are screwed in, so we can't just pick them up and dump them. And if one egg breaks, they all get really messy. So we are making something new, trying to find an easy way to keep them out of it at night, and we're gonna see how much better it works.
The other day I saw a video from Richard Perkins, and I'll put a link to the video, and he has a plan for their nesting boxes, and they have about 400 birds, and so I'm adapting this down to our third team. And so the material, the board here, is kind of like a composite board covered with kind of a coating on it. He used black in his video. I used white. This is stuff that you can buy for shelving. This is about a 12-foot board by about 15 inches. Anyway, I found it at Lowe's. But I had a problem with the measuring on this. I measured the opening and it was about a foot, but I didn't account for the 5 inches or so that we lost for the box and that bar across the front. So I had to go through and make some changes to lift the roof because I didn't have enough extra material just to go all the way up. But if you're making this, I'd encourage you to start with about 15 inches or so and just slope it up 2 or 3 inches. That way the back will have a good drop. Now this bottom piece here is screwed in also at a 10% or 10 degree angle. And this mat that's in here, Richard Perkins has a specific mat on his video. I'm not sure where to get them. I just went through and bought AstroTurf, and I put a little piece, you can't see it here, but I put a little piece at the front because when we did some of the demonstrations, we rolled it down and it hit that board too hard and cracked it. So I've got a little cushion there so that everything's good. And so let me show you how it works. And it's just that easy. Pretty cool. Hopefully I can keep them out. Eventually I may have to put in something that has it where I can pop it down and have a little bar or something that keeps them out, so I get up in the morning and let them in, and then I close them up in the evening and shut that. So anyway, should be pretty cool.